Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So we are going to continue with our brush tool in this video. So continuing with the properties of the brush tool. So in the last video we have seen how to use the brush properties, different brush properties, and how to change the color, size and some other properties. So again how to change the modes, opacity, that sort of things. Now in this video we are going to see how to create a new brush. So first of all, let's say if I choose any image, and let's say if I want to select the face and I want to create the brush of that face or that selection, so I can first of all select the face or whatever area I want. So and you can use any selection tool. For now I am using the quick selection tool, and let's say I want this much of area to be converted into a brush. So I have selected the area, whatever area I want. Then we have to go to edit menu and click on the define brush preset. It is saying to the computer or the Photoshop to create a new brush. Define brush means basically create new brush. So you can name it anything you want. So let's say I name it as face, simple name, face. Then I'll deselect this, Control D. Now if I click over here, let me turn on the keystroke option first. As you can see, if I click, then you will see the selected area working as a brush stroke. As you can see over here, if I change the color, the stroke color will also change. So this now acts as a brush. So what if I change the properties by going to the brush setting? Brush setting, you can either click over here, or you can go to Windows and brush settings, or you can also press F5 key, function key. Then if I want to scatter the brush, I can choose the scatter brush option. Shape dynamics, if I want to create variation in the size, I can choose shape dynamics option. Minimum diameter I want to change, and if you want to change the color, or if you want variation in color, then choose color dynamics. Make sure the hue value is higher. So this will create variation in size as well as the color. So as you can see, if I change the angle from the shape dynamics option, then it will again change the angle. So this is pretty much similar to what we have seen in the earlier video, but we have only difference is that we have created a new brush out of image pixels. So I will undo this. So you can select any area of any image and create a brush out of it. So let us create another brush. So I have taken this silhouette of this wolf. You can easily get this from Google. If you search wolf silhouette, you will get this pretty easily, or any silhouette if you want. So what if I want to create brush out of this silhouette, wolf silhouette? Again I will now choose the magic wand tool, because this has black silhouette, so it will be easier for me to select this wolf silhouette, because it is of one color and there is no variation in color, so it will be selected very quickly if I use the magic wand tool. You can use any tool you wish. So again I have to go to edit, define brush. I will name it as wolf. You can name it whatever you want, wolf. Control D again to deselect. So as you can see, this is now converted into a brush. What if I want to flip the brush? Then we have to go to the brush tip shape option, and we can flip the option, so it will be mirrored. If I want to flip it vertically, then I can choose the flip XY option. and you already know this. If I want to rotate this, I can change the angle, so it will get rotated. So you can choose any color you want, and whatever brushes you create, it will be shown in this brush panel. And you can also increase or decrease the thumbnail size by using this panel, or using this button or handle, whatever you may like to call it. Now if you want to turn on or off the stroke options, you can simply go over here and you can simply turn off these options, but it is recommended that you turn on this option or keep it on, keep these options on for better understanding, so that you can understand what brushes you are selecting. So moving forward, what if I want to create a floral brush out of image? We have already seen how to use ready-made brushes, but let's say if I want to create a floral brush by using this brush. There is also a bee present over here. Let us see how it works out. So I'll select the flower first. Again I have to go to edit, define brush preset. I will name it as flower, Control D. So again it's looking pretty good actually. I will undo this. What if I want variation in color? I can simply go to color dynamics, keep the hue value at the higher side. If I keep the hue jitter value at the lower side, it will only get to one color. And if I want variation, I'll keep the value at the highest 100%, then I will get the variation. But I want scattering also, so I'll increase the scattering value, so I'll get scattered brushes. If I want variation in size, I can choose shape dynamics option and I can choose variation in size, so I'll get variations. So these are the techniques to create new brushes. You can try and test this method, and you can create whatever from whatever image you want. You can also download from the internet many free Photoshop brushes. There are plenty of free Photoshop brushes, very attractive brushes that I'll show in the coming videos. But I think that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.